Hey everybody, this is Addie Van Salisbury on the Aspen Discovery team with Bywater Solutions, and today I want to talk about basic pages. So how to create the easiest web page in Aspen Discovery through the Web Builder module. After we walk through how to create them, I'll talk a little bit about easy ways to make sure patrons can find those pages. So you're going to go into your Aspen administration menu and scroll down to the Web Builder module. If you need help setting this up, check out our video on setting up the Web Builder module. Basic pages are going to be the easiest way to create a web page right within Aspen Discovery. So you'll see that I've got a few already created. I'll go ahead and edit those so y'all don't have to watch me type really poorly. If you want to create a new one from scratch, you would just add new. So I'm going to edit Ollie and Finn. First, we need to give the page a title that's going to live at the top of the web page, and then we need to give it a URL alias. So that's going to be what lives after your main URL. So I already have this page pulled up. So you can see here, it's what lives after my typical URL, and then it's / Ollie and Finn. And you can see my title here. Next, you'll want to give the page a teaser. So if someone finds this in the search, what they, the page is about, and then the page content. So this is going to be the meat and potatoes of a basic web page. Everything that you put in here is going to be what is showing on your web page that you just created. So if you're familiar with Markdown, this should look familiar, something in your wheelhouse. And if you want to go ahead and just use that language, you can. We also have some super helpful tools up top if you're like me and you're not familiar with that. If you have questions about Markdown, you can click that question mark and it gives you some explanations for Markdown. To make sure that the work you've been doing is looking how you'd like it to be, you can click this little eye that's going to give you a preview of the page. You do need to click out of it to continue editing. From there, you've got all these great tools. We can do different size headers. We can bold things. So my words would need to go in between here. So bolding would be bold. We can do italics, strike through, put quotations, and make bulleted checklists. This little guy is going to be how you create and embed a link, which you can see I've done right here on the word here. So you can embed a link. So if I wanted to embed a link onto my word link, I would just highlight that, click this, and then it provides me with the setup. So already this is going to make the word link hyperlinked, and then I just throw my URL that I want to direct the patron to in the parentheses. Words are difficult sometimes, y'all. Then we have the option to embed a picture. If you're really comfortable filling out where a picture comes from, this is how you'll do it. So you would put the name of the image and then where to grab that image. I don't like to think about it. So I prefer to just embed my picture directly here, which is what I did with both of these. And the way you do that is click upload an image. You'll select an image and then upload it by clicking upload, and it will add itself right to the markdown. So it's going to do that exclamation brackets with the name of the image, and then it's going to tell Aspen where it's coming from. So when you upload an image, it is adding itself into your web builder module. There's a section, an image section where all of these images are going to go, and then you can do some really great things with them once they're in Aspen. Once you start to get familiar with this, then you can reference back to that image by embedding it in this way. So now I have my image in here. You can see it saying it's coming from the web builder. I want to view my image. I want to use the full size, and the ID is number 9. So to give you an idea of what the heck that's talking about, I'm going to go into my web builder module into images. So now that I uploaded that image is going to live here. These are other images that I've uploaded. So if I edit this is the one I just put on. It's going to first give me a full size image, which is massive, as you can see. And then it will generate other sizes for you. So it's generating my medium size and my small size. Looks like I uploaded this guy crooked, but you can see here that it has these other sizes for me. So if I wanted to change the size of my image, I don't want that massive full picture, then I would just put size equals whatever size I want in here. So if I wanted to do small, I could do it like that, which I have done up above. I wanted this guy to be small, but now actually I want it to be medium. I want it to be bigger. And this guy is medium right now. So I'm feeling pretty good about it. I like the way it looks. Let's just make sure. Oh yeah, looking good. So now that I've got my page pretty much how I want it to be, I can give it some audiences. So I want everyone to have access, or not have access to it, but all of the audiences to be applied here. And then this is, it's local history, I suppose. Languages and culture, why not? And yeah, I think that about covers it. And then my libraries are just my one library. So now I have my basic page created. And then if I go to the URL that I indicated I wanted it to be, now I've got my beautiful page with Ollie and Finn and all their fun adventures. You can see here I hyperlinked this page, which is another page I created with the basic web pages. And here I linked to records that were right in our catalog. So you can use those pages for anything you want to spotlight any information. And then from there, they should be findable when you're doing a basic search in the catalog. In the Explore More, you can also embed them right up here. So in the menus or in the menus over here, which you can find our video on creating menu links. You can also make any of these your home landing page. So many of y'all have a home landing page that brings you to an external library website and then a browse logo next to it that brings you back home to this browse categories that you have created. If you want the home link to bring you back to an Aspen URL, you can absolutely do that. And just really quickly, if you ever wanted to do that, you would just change in your library systems the home link in your basic display. So here. So you can use these web pages for any information you want, share that information with your patrons. Super easy way to create web pages right within Aspen Discovery. If you have any questions about how to create these pages, how they're useful for you and your patrons, please let us know.